Good afternoon. So, where you have stopped our discussion, if I'm not wrong, you guys had your lunch, right? See, in the class, full laziness I don't want. I want full excitement and energy. Whenever I ask you, make sure that you tell the answer. You make sure you interact. Is that clear? Awesome. So in yesterday's class, we have started with something. What is that? What is that? We have started with some types of methods. Which are those, if you ask me? We understood the first type of method. What is that? Inherited methods. After that, it is overridden methods. Not only that, we understood something known as specialized methods. And what is the work of this? Which method I should call it as overridden, specialized, inherited, everything we saw. Not only that, we have coded one programming regarding this. Let me continue with the same topic and let me code my next program. If I have to code my program, first UML is very important. Let me draw an UML diagram for you. How is that, sir? Watch it. Now, I will create one class. Awesome. The name of the class, I'm going to give it as. This is one class. The name of the class, I will give it as plain. Next what, sir? I will create another class here. This is one class. There is another class. This is how I'm representing it. Amazing. There is another class. Let me show it to you this way. So inside the plain, you have two methods. What is that, sir? Take off. Plane will take off. After that, you have fly. Plane will fly. Very good. I will come down here and let me give the name of these classes. Cargo plane. That is the name of that class. Followed by passenger plane. That is the name of that class. There is another class, and the name of the class, I will call it as what? The fighter plane. What's this? Cargo plane is inheriting the plane. Think and tell me what I will get inside cargo plane. Takeoff and fly. Whatever takeoff is there is an inherited method. Whatever fly is there, this fly, I will get it, but I will change it. Since I'm changing it, it is known as one method. What method is that? Very good. So first, I will get takeoff. This takeoff will be an inherited. Fly will come. I will override it. After that, there is one method. I am going to tell it here. What is that, sir? The name of the method is carry cargo. That is the name of the method. Because that is what cargo plane will carry. Think and tell me what type of method is this? It's a specialized method. Very good. The same thing I want to show to you in this way also. Passenger plane is inheriting the plane. I will get the first method, takeoff, which is an inherited method. I will get another method, which is fly. I want him to be an overridden method. I will get another method. The name of the method is carry passengers. And he is none other than my specialized method. The same thing I want to show it here. The fighter plane is inheriting the plane. I will get takeoff, which is an inherited. I will get fly, which is an overridden. I will not get, maybe, I will create one method here. The name of the method is carry arms. Arms means not hands. Arms means weapons. That is what this fighter plane should carry. So this is my UML diagram. And looking at this UML diagram, you should code it now. How should I code it, sir? What happened? Okay. So please watch it. So this is my UML diagram and I have to code it. Very good. See, whatever this line is there, you should call this line as what? This line is there. Let me take this line. And this line, you should call it as what? It is having different names. What is that, sir? Inherits. There's another name for it, that is extends. This is the word. You will use it in your program. Not only extends, there is another name for this. What is that, sir? Is a. What is that? Is a. What you're trying to tell, sir? Watch it. Now, cargo plane is a plane. Passenger plane is a plane. Fighter plane is a plane. Whenever you see this arrow mark, you can also read him as extends, inheritance, and also is a. Or in other words, your inheritance will contribute to one relationship. What relationship is that, sir? It is a relationship. Getting this much? Outstanding. So this is my UML diagram. Looking at this UML diagram, I have to code my program. How you will code it, sir? For that, let me get my Eclipse. This is my Eclipse. Let me start coding from beginning. How you will do it, sir? This entire class, I will eliminate it. Very good. This main method also, I don't want to code anything. I will eliminate it. So my program is super fresh. Let me start coding from beginning. Which class you should code first? Which class? This is my UML diagram. Which is the first class there? Plane, you should code it first. Let me do it for you. This is class. The name of the class is plane. Inside this, two methods you have. What is the first method? Takeoff. Let me create takeoff method. This is how I will create, and inside this I will print one statement, system.out.println. Now within this double quotes I will tell it as something. What do you want to tell, sir? I will tell it as plane is taking off. This is one statement I want to tell. After this takeoff, I want to create another method. What is the name of the method there? Fly is the method. Void fly. I'll open, close. I'll open this flower bracket, close it, and I have to give the method body. What method body you want to give, sir? I want to print something there. What do you want to print, sir? Plane is. What it is doing? Flying. Like this I will give. So this is my plane, and this is how my plane is looking in the UML diagram. This plane and the plane what I've coded, are they matching? They are matching. Yes or no? Very good. Now, which class you should code next? Higher hierarchy you have coded. You should come to the lower hierarchy. This is the lower hierarchy. Which one you want, you can code. But it's something known as discipline. You have to follow that. Means you should start from this, followed by this and that one. How you will do it? Watch it. I will come here in the line number 16. I will create one class. What is the name of the class? Very good. The name of the class is cargo plane. And that is what I am telling. What cargo plane is doing? What cargo plane is doing? It is extending one class known as plane. That I should tell it programmatically. How you will do it, sir? Watch it. I should extend. Extend what? Plane. Like this. Inside this, how many methods I'm having? Inside this, how many methods I'm having as of now? Two methods. Which are those? Takeoff and fly. This takeoff should be an inherited method. Means you should not tell it again, take off. No. When you tell it, the meaning is you are overriding it. If you don't tell it, the meaning is it is an inherited method. Very good. Now, the takeoff should be inherited means you should not type it. Next method. Which is that method? Fly method. Fly method should be an overridden method. How will give a overridden method there? Very good. I will tell void. Void what? Fly. Very good. I'll open bracket, close it, and now I have to change it or I have to modify it. How will modify it, sir? System.out.println within double quotes. I will tell it as cargo plane flies at what, sir? What do you mean by cargo plane? Do you know what is goods train? What is goods train? The train which will carry the goods. The same thing, we have planes which will carry the goods. But you should not call it as goods plane. Some hi-fi word is given to that. So for goods plane, we should call it as a cargo plane. Plane means stature is high, right? That is why. Cargo plane are the plane which will carry the goods. But if you look at this cargo plane, they will carry the heavy goods. So that is why they will fly not at the higher heights. Instead at the lower heights it will fly. And that is what I'm going to give in my program also. How you will do it, sir? Watch it. So fly, I will tell. Cargo plane flies at what? Lower. Lower what? Heights. That's something. Very good. After fly, which one you should code? Carry cargo also. That is the method I should code it now. How you will do it, sir? Watch it. I will come here. I will create one method, void. Now, what is the name of the method? Carry. Carry what? Cargo. Awesome. Great. I'll open the bracket, close it. I will open this flower bracket and close it. I will tell system.out.println within double quotes. I will tell it as cargo. Cargo what? Plane. Plane what? Carries. What it carries? Goods. Very good. So I will tell it as cargo plane carries goods in this fashion I'm telling. Very good. Think and tell me, inside cargo plane, how many methods do you have? 3. Which are those? Take off, fly and carry cargo. Awesome. This is my cargo plane. Let me create another class. What is that class? Which class you have coded now? Which class you have coded now? Cargo plane. Which one you should code now? Passenger plane. Let me code it for you. So this is my class, and the name of the class, I want to give it as passenger. Passenger what, sir? Plane. What it is doing? Extending. Extending what? Plane. Awesome. So what I will get inside this? Take off. It is an inherited method. Another method is there. Fly, which is an overridden method. I will modify it. How will modify it, sir? System.out.println. I will tell in this way. What is that, sir? Passenger. Passenger. Plane. Plane what? Flies. At what? At what height this passenger plane will fly? They will fly most probably on 25,000 feet or 30,000 feet, which is a medium height. So I will tell passenger plane flies at medium heights, and that is what I am telling. Very good. After this fly, you should give another method. Which method? This is my UML diagram. Which one you should code? Carry passengers. Let me code it. I will tell it as carry. Carry what, sir? Passengers. This is the method. What this plane will carry? Goods, sir. Then it will carry the people, the passengers. And that is what I will tell it here. How you will tell it, sir? Passenger plane will carry, or okay, I will tell carry people. Like this I will tell. Very good. So passenger plane you have coded. Next what you should code? Yes. So this is my passenger plane. You have coded it. Next you should come to him. Who is he? Fighter plane. You have to code inside it. And how many methods you should code? Any of one method is coming from the plane. 2 methods you should code it now. Really, sir? Watch it. So I will come to my program. This is where my program is. Line number 42. I will create one class. The name of the class is fighter plane. I will tell. What fighter plane is doing? Extending. Extend what? Plane. Awesome. Inside this, how many methods are there as of now? As of now, how many methods you have? You have 2 methods. Take off and fly. Take off. Inherited. Fly. Overridden. Overridden means what? Modified method. Means I should modify it. How you will modify it, sir? Watch it. So now, I will tell it as void. Void what, sir? Fly. Next what? Inside this fly, I will tell system.out.println. Within double quotes, I will tell fighter plane. Fighter plane what, sir? Flies. Flies at what? If you look at this fighter jets or fighter planes, they can fly up to 45,000, 50,000 feet. They can go to that height. That much power they will be having. So that is why I will tell fighter plane flies at higher heights like this. Just a statement. Very good. After this, I have to create another method. Which method I should code? Carry arms. Very good. Let me do it. I will come here and I will tell it as void. Void what, sir? Carry. Carry what? Arms. Outstanding. Now, inside this, I will tell one statement, system.out.println within double quotes. What you should tell? Fighter plane. Fighter plane what? So carry. Carry what? Arms. Arms means what? Weapons. Like this I will tell. Very good. So these are all my classes and I will just show all of these classes for you. There is the first class. What is the name of the class? Plane. Followed by cargo plane. Followed by passenger plane. And then you have a fighter plane. Very good. That's it. Then what you should do now? What you have created? You have created just the classes. But if my program should work without objects, your program will not work. Because class is imaginary, object is real. I have to create an object where you should create. You should create the object inside the main method because that is where your program execution will start from. How you will create an object, sir? New. After that, you have to create a cargo plane object. I will just give the cargo plane there. And you have to give the reference. What is the reference? Okay, maybe I will tell CP like this. And what type it is, you should tell what type it is. It is a cargo plane. Very good. Inside cargo plane, how many methods do you have? 3. Let me call all of them one by one. How you will do it? I will use this reference CP dot. What is the first method? Takeoff. Awesome. CP dot, which is the second method? Fly. Outstanding. CP dot, which is the next method? So carry, cargo, amazing. All of these methods are there inside the cargo plane. Let me see, will this work or not? If in case I save it and execute it, you can notice there. What is this? Palni. Okay. I'll close this console. If in case I save it and execute it, this is the output you are getting. Plane is taking off, cargo plane flies at lower heights, cargo plane carries goods. That is the output you are getting. Understanding? Very good. In the same way, you have to do it for a passenger plane as well as fighter plane. How you will do it, sir? I will come to the next line and I will tell new. Whose object you want to create, sir? Passenger plane object I want to create. For this, I will give the reference, and this reference, it is of type what? Passenger plane. I will use this reference now. What is the reference? PP dot. You have to call one method. Which method? Takeoff. After that, you have to call an overridden method. What is that? Fly. You have to call a specialized method. What is the name of the method? Very good. Carry passengers, and that is what I'm doing. Very good. After this, I want to do it for fighter plane also. For that, you have to create an object of it. How you will do? Object will be created by JVM. I will invoke it by telling new. I have to create a fighter plane object. Fighter plane object, I am creating it. For this, you have to give a reference, and this reference is of type what? Fighter plane. So let me call all of these methods one by one. Plane should take off first. Let me call it. After that, plane should fly. Let me call it. And after that, plane should carry something. What it should carry? Arms. All of these methods I'm calling it. If in case I save it and execute it, you can notice first 3 lines are the output for cargo plane. Next 3 lines for passenger plane. Next 3 lines is for fighter plane. Is there any doubt in this? Yes. So we have done the yesterday's program, right? In the same way, I have created this. If you're such kind of a student who went to your home and practiced it, looking at this, you'll feel what is there in this? This is just a child's play. Any doubt in this? No doubt. Awesome. So with this, let me proceed further with the next topic. What is your next topic, sir? The name of my next topic is, it is access modifiers. What it is? Access modifiers. Question arises. What is this access modifiers are? Watch it. You give public. You heard about this guy? Every time you tell your main method, you tell public, right? Your public is nothing but access modifier. Not only this, there is another guy, and his name is protected. There's another guy, he is known as default. The same default is also known as package access. What is that? Package access. Fourth, that is last but not the least, you have a private. And whatever you are calling, all of these are known as what? Access modifiers. I want to ask this question to some students, not for everyone. Computer science, information science students. Access modifiers are also known as what? Access specifiers. You are wrong. And that is why I asked this question to you. Most of you will use access modifier and access specifier interchangeably. Means access modifier and specifier both are same. That is what you guys think. Absolutely it is wrong. Then what is access specifier and modifier? What is the difference, sir, if you ask me? Whatever this access modifier you tell, this you should use it in a programming language known as Java. Whatever the access specifiers you are using, this you should use it for one programming language, which is C++. But this concept, that is access specifiers, is not there in Java at all. If you are using access specifiers in Java, you are going wrong direction. Is that clear? Awesome. Now, what you have is access modifiers in Java, but not access specifiers. Always remember this. Is there any doubt? No doubt. Now question arises. Sir, what is the meaning of this, sir? Access modifiers. Why we have this? If you ask me, buckle up and watch it. Great. So what is this, sir? Go on listening to me. Now, I want to create one Java project. How will create, sir? Like this. One Java project I am creating. And this is how I will do it. One Java project. Inside the Java project, what you should create? You should create a packages. I am creating the first package. Not only this. Another package. Not only this. There is another package. 3 packages I want to create. And I'm giving all the names like this. This is package 1, package 2, and package 3. Outstanding. Now, inside the package 1, let me create one class. How will create? Like this. This is class demo 1. Very good. Now, inside this demo 1, let me create some variables. This is A, followed by B, C, and D. Like this 4 variables I will create it. Next what, sir? Now, what I will do, let me go inside the same package and create another class. This is demo 1. Let me give another name to it. That is demo 2. And this demo 2 should extend demo 1. And that is what I'm doing there. So this is the opening. This is the closure. Very good. Let me come to package 2 and let me create one class here. This is class. The name of the class, I'm showing it to you this way. What is the name of the class, sir? Demo 3. And this demo 3 is extending the demo 1, and that is what I'm telling you. Very good. Let me come to package 3 now. Inside the package 3, let me create one class. This is class demo 4. It is not extending the demo 1. This is my setup. Very good. Let me come to my package 1. Inside the package 1, there is demo 1. Inside demo 1, you have 4 variables. Now to these 4 variables, I will attach the access modifiers. How is that? For this A, I will give public in this fashion. For this B, I will give protected in this fashion. For this C, I will not give anything. The meaning is he is a default. That's the meaning. Very good. For D, I will attach one access modifier is none other than private. Access modifier I have attached. Very good. Now, let me see, will I be able to access A in the same class? B, C, D, all of this, will I able to access in the same class or not? See, what is the meaning of this? Access modifier. When you give this, they will define where this A, B, C, D can be accessed. Can be accessed in the same class, different package, different project also. They define their accessibility. What you are trying to tell, sir? Go on listening to me. A, B, C, D, I want to access. Not only this, A, B, C, D, I want to access it here. A, B, C, D, I want to access it here. I want to do the same thing here also. Very good. Now, let me come here to this demo 1 and let me see, will this A is accessed or not in the same class. Now, if this A is accessed or not, you should go to this A. To this A, what is attached you should see. What is attached? Public. If public is attached, in the same class, A is accessed. Very good. Is B is accessed in this class or not? If you have to see, you should go to this B. What is there to this B? Protected. Means protected in the same class, it is accessed. Okay. Forget about it. 100% it is accessed. Now you come here. This A, you are accessing. Where is this A? It is here. What is this? Public. Means this A, which is public, even though it is there in the different class, it will be accessed. Very good. Now let me come here. In the demo 3, I am accessing A. Where is A? A is here. Where this A is present in? Demo 1. Where is demo 1? Package 1. Means I am accessing A outside this package. Question arises, can this A is accessed? Yes or no? 100% it is accessed, and that is what I am showing it to you there. It is accessed. Very good. So now, let me come to demo 4 now. That demo 1, that A is actually present in the demo 1, which is package 1. Will I able to access this A in the demo 4? If you ask me, my answer is 100% yes. Why, sir? Public, if you give in the entire project, irrespective of which package you are present in, A is accessed. That is what you should understand. Very good. Come here. This B is accessed in this class or not, we have to see. For that, B. What is B? Protected. In the same class, it is accessed. Very good. Let me come here. I want to use this B. If I have to access this B, you should go to this B. What is there? Protected. Protected means in the same package, it is accessible. Very good. Let me come to this B. Now, this B, you're accessing it outside the package. If you have to access it, now you should see, what is this? Extends demo 1. Protected member can be accessed in a different package if there is an inheritance. Think and tell me, is inheritance is there? Yes, means protected, you can access it even in the different package also. Very good. Now, come here. What is B? B is here. Who is he? Protected. Is he accessed in a different package. If you ask me, you should see it here. Is it extending demo 1? It is not extending, means here B is not accessed. And that is what I'm showing it to you. It is not accessed. Got this? Very good. Now, let me come to the C. This C, who is he? Default. In the same class you can access it. Come here. What is the C? What is the C? Default. Can I access in a different class, sir? 100% yes, you can access it, and that is why you're getting there. Very good. Next word, sir. Let me come here. C. Can I access in a different package? If you ask me, absolutely no. Because default is accessed anywhere in the package. But if you go to a different package, it cannot be accessed. And that is why C, I'm telling you as it is not accessed. Now, very good, sir. Next one. What about here? Different package means 100% it is not accessible here. And that is what I'm showing it to you. Very good, sir. Next one. Now, let me come here. Is D is accessed or not? For that you should see this. What is D? Private. Private, can I access in the same class? You can do it. Let me come to the different class. Now, is this D is accessible in the same package, different class? Absolutely no. No, that will not. Only in the same class you can access, but different class, even though in the same package, they cannot access. Very good. Let me come here. What about here? In different class only, in the same package, it is not possible. Different package, how come it will work? So 100%, it is an error. Here also, it is an error, like this. Very good. Everywhere error is there. So what is the conclusion of this, sir? Whenever you give the access modifier, you are defining them where you are accessed. How is that, sir? Whenever you give public, anywhere in the project, they are accessible. Whenever it is protected, in the same package, it is accessible anywhere. But in a different package, if it should be accessible, then that class should inherit this class. Very good. What about here, sir? See here, demo 4 is not inheriting demo 1. That is why protected is not accessible here. Very good. Next one, this C, where it is accessed. For this, you should see here. What is this? Default. Default is having another name. What is that name? Package access. The meaning is, this fellow is accessed only in the same package. But outside this package, it will not work. And that is why, see here, C, it is working here. C, it is working here. C, it is not working here and there, because both of them are different packages. Very good. What about private, sir? Private will work only in the same class. In other class, it will not work. Getting this much? Great. So now you guys understood somewhat theoretical. Let us show the same setup practically. How is that, sir? Watch it. So let me get my Eclipse now. Where is your Eclipse, sir? Watch it. So this is my Eclipse. Now I have to create one project. For that, I should go to this file. I will go to new. One Java project I want to create. So I will just click on this Java project. You have to give the name of this project. So maybe I will give the name of this project as already exist. Okay. So access modifiers. That is the name of the project I'm giving. Very good. So after that, okay, 17 version, and after that, I'm telling it as finished. When you do that, my dear students, one project is getting created. Really, sir, if you ask me, you can notice access modifiers. That's the project. Now what I will do, let me go and create some packages inside this project. How you will do? I will just do one click like this, and there is one shortcut there, package. I've explained this already. Now you should click on this package, and now you should give the name there. What is the name, sir? This is com dot what, sir? Tap academy dot. So I will give it as package 1. In this fashion I want to give. Very good. If in case I finish it, you can notice inside this project you have created one package. Very good. I want to create another package now. How you will do? I'll click on it. I'll create another package. Let me give a name for it. Com dot. What is that? Tap academy dot. Dot what? Package 2. Outstanding. So now I have to tell finish there. 2 packages got created. Awesome. One more package I want to create. For that, you have to click on the project, click on this icon. Now you have to create it. How you will do? Com dot tap academy dot. Which package is this? Package 3. I will just tell finish. You can notice there. This is the project. Inside the project, how many package? 1, 2, and 3. Very good. Now, let me go to this first package, that is package 1, and let me create 2 classes inside this. How you will do? I will click on it, and now you have one option there. Beside that package, if you notice, this is what you have. This is the icon. Who is he, sir? He is a class. You can simply click where you want to create, and then you can click on him. How you will do? Like this. I will click on him. Awesome. Is a new Java class. I have to give the name for him. What is the name, sir? The name is demo1, and after that I will tell finish. You can notice demo1 is coming, and let me delete all of that now. Close tabs to left. Very good. If you notice, my dear students, you have the project. Inside the project, first package, how many classes you have created? 1 class, that is demo1. Let me create another class inside the same package, that is package 1. This is my package 1. I will click on it. After that, I will click on this Java class. Name, I have to give it as demo2. Very good. And after that, I will tell finish. You have a demo2, and you can notice there, inside this package 1, you have demo2. Let me go to this package 2. I will click on it. Inside this package 2, I want to create a class. What is the name of the class, sir? The name of the class, I will tell it as demo3, and I will tell it as finish. And now if you notice, inside my project, inside my package 2, you have demo2. Very good. Not demo2. What is that? Demo3. So now let me go to package 3. This is package 3. Let me click, and let me create a class inside this. I have clicked it. Then you should go and click on the C. That is new Java class. You have to give the name of the class. What is the name of the class? So demo4. Very good. Followed by, I will just tell finish. And you can notice, this is how my setup is present in. If you notice, this is my project. Inside the project, you have package 1, 2 classes. Package 2, 1 class. Package 3, 1 class. And the same setup I have created. Very good. Now let me go to my demo 1 now. How is that, sir? So this is my demo 1. I will go here and create something now. What you want to create, sir? I will tell it as int A, outstanding. I will tell it as int B, amazing. I will tell int C, awesome. I will tell int D, amazing. Great. So 4 variables you have created. Very good, sir. Next what? Now let me attach something to all of these variables. This is my first variable A. Let me attach public. Very good. This is my B. Let me attach what? Protected. Awesome. Let me come to the C, and I will not attach something there. What is the meaning? It is default. Let me come to this D. I will attach an access modifier there. What is that, sir? If you ask me, it is private, and that is what I'm attaching. Very good. This is my demo 1. Let me go to demo 2. What this demo 2 should do? Very good. Extends. Extends what? Demo 1. Very good. Let me go to demo 3. And what demo 3 should do? Very good. it extends. It should extend what? Demo 1, like this. But if you notice there, you're getting an error. Why are you getting an error? Let me read it for you. This is how it is telling. Demo 1 cannot be resolved to a type, and 5 quick fixes also is available. What is the meaning of this? Let me explain it to you with the help of my iPad. Please watch it. Great. See, long way back, you have created one class, maybe demo. Inside this, you have created one object. Which object? Scanner. Am I correct? Now when you created this, immediately one error came. Hope you remember. What is that error? The scanner is present inside one package. Which package is that? Util package. Now you are present in one package. Which package? Maybe P1 package. Whenever you tell scanner, your Java will not understand that. What is that scanner? Where it is present in? It is not understanding. What you told? Hey, let me go here and let me import this scanner. Yes or no? And that is why at the top here you have told import. What you should import? Yes, you should import this util. For that you should tell java.util.scanner. You have imported so that the scanner which is present here, it will come. Where it will come, sir? It will come and sit inside your package. That's the meaning. The same thing I want to show it to you here also now. What is that, sir, if you ask me? Watch it. You have one package you have created. What is the name of the package, sir? The name of the package is package 1. Very good. There is another package you have created. The name of the package you should give it as package 2. And already I have given the same package name. I have created another package. The name of the package I have to give it as package 3, and that is what I have given. Very good. Now, inside package 1, you have created one class known as what? Demo 1. Am I correct? Very good. Now, in this package 2, what you are telling is class demo 3. What is that class demo 3? It is extending. What it is extending? Demo 1. And when you tell this, straight away you are getting error on this demo 1. Question arises, why? Why? Because whenever JVM sees this demo 1, JVM will look at this package and find for the demo 1. Now JVM is doing the same. It is coming here. It is seeing demo 1. Oh, where is demo 1? It is just scanning this. Do you have demo 1 here? No. Then where it is present in? It is present inside package 1. And that is why the error it is showing. Then now I have to overcome this error. What you should do? Very simple. Your demo 1 is here. You should go and import it inside your package. That is what you should do now. Understanding? Really, sir? Watch it. Great. See, if I hold on this, that is the same thing it is telling. See here? 5 quick fixes available. What is the quick fix? You import demo 1. From whom? Package 1. That's the meaning. So let me tell the Eclipse to import. I'll just click on it. When I do that, it is importing in this way. Sensing this much? How it should import? Go to the package 1 and just import it. As simple as that. Now immediately error is gone. Very good. So with this knowledge, let me proceed further. Let me go to demo 4 now. 100% this is how my demo 4 is looking like. It is perfect. Very good. Now let me go to my demo 1 now. and all of this A, B, C, D, I will try to access it. I want to access them. To access them, I want to create one method. How you will create one method, sir? Watch it. I will create one method. The name of the method, okay, I will tell it as void. Void what? Disp. Inside this method, I will access it. Hey, no, sir. Directly you can access it. No. I'll show it to you. Accessing means what? I want to use it. Sir, how you will use it, sir? Watch it. System.out.println. Watch it. I will tell system.out. Dot what, sir? Println. Open bracket, close bracket, semicolon. And you want to access A, and you should tell it as A, like this. If you're doing it, straight away you're getting an error here. Why, sir? Whenever you are telling these instructions, you cannot put it directly inside the class like this. You cannot put it that way. Whenever you are telling these kind of instructions, you should tell it inside the method only. That is must and should knowledge is required for you. Understanding this means he is not working. So this fellow, I should take him and put it inside the method. Then only he will work. Sir, only method, sir? No. These instructions, you put it inside a method, a constructor, a block, it will work. But simply throwing it inside a class, it will not work. Very good. With this information, now I will take him. How you will take him? I will cut him in this way. And now what I will do? I will create one method. The name of the method is a disp method, and inside this disp method, I will paste it. Now it is working. Now very good, sir. Next what? Now, I want to print some more statement. What do you want to print, sir? B. Very good. System.out.println. Awesome. I will hit enter. And after that, system.out.println, like this. Now, I want to print all of them. C I want to print, and D also I want to print. So this is my C, and 100% this is my D. All of them I want to access. Think and tell me where you're accessing A, B, C, D. Is it in a different class or the same class? It is in the same class, and that is why you are getting the output for all of that. Output in the sense it is working. See, A it is working, B is working, C is working, D is working in the same class itself. Understanding this? Very good. Now, let me go to my next class now. Which is that class, sir? Watch it. Okay. Now, let me come to demo 2. Inside the demo 2, I want to access A, B, C, D. Let us see, will I be able to access it or not? To access it, I have to create one method, that is void disp. This is the method I want to give. Inside this, I want to access A. Let me see, A is accessed or not. If in case I tell A there, will I get a proper thing, or will I get an error there? Yes? I mean, will I get any error there? Absolutely no. If I tell here A, this A is accessed in the different class also. Why, sir? Why? Because this A is public. That is why. Very good. I'll come to demo 2, and now I will try to access B also. B, think and tell me, will it give an error or will it not give an error? It will not give an error. Why? Because B is a protected. Look here, this B is protected. Since it is protected in the same package, you can access it very easily. Very good, sir. Next what? Now, I will come and print here. What do you want to print, sir? I want to print C now. think and tell me, this C, is it working, not working? It is working. Why? Because C is a default. In the same package, wherever you want, you can access it. Got this? Very good. Now, I will come here and I will tell system.out.println of D like this. Straight away you are getting error there. Why you are getting error there, D? Because D is a private. Only in the same class it is accessible. Outside the class it is not accessible. Outstanding. Now, let me go to a different package now. Which is that, sir? Demo 3. See, this is which package? Package 2. I'm in a different package now. Very good. So now, inside this demo 3, let me try to access A, B, C, D. So for that, I will create one method, disp method, awesome. And inside this, I want to access A. How you will do? Like this. Is it accessible? Yes. Why is that? It's a public. Very good. Now, I will come here. I will tell system.out.println, I want to print B. Is it accessible? Yes or no? But different package, right? Very good. So you should see, is this B is accessible or not? For that, you should see what access modifier you have it for B. What is the access modifier? Protected. If it should work in a different package, then that class should extend this class. And that is what is happening in my program also. This is my demo 3. You can notice demo 3 is extending demo 1. B is working. Very good. I will come here, hit enter. System.out.println of C. Straight away you are getting error there. Why error? C is only default. Default means package only. In the same package it will access, outside the package it will not access. Very good. In the same way, I will go and print this D. System.out.println of D. Again you are getting an error there because D is a private. In other package, definitely it will not work. Very good. So this is the story of package 2. Let me come to package 3 now. I want to access it. For that, let me create one method like this. Great. Now think and tell me, how should I access A, B, C, D in this case now? How should I access it? Sir, how did it for demo 3, demo 2? You do the same, no? It will not work. Why, sir? Watch it. See, for demo 3, demo 2, for all of this, you can notice there, extends is there. When extends is there, directly if you are printing, it will work. Because all of the content will come. Yes or no? Very good. Come to demo 4. Is it extending? No. If it is not extending, all the content of demo 1, you will not get it here. Means even though you are printing A, B, C, D, for all of them you will get error. Then how you will access? How you will access? How you will access? Where you are present in now? Demo 4. I want to access demo 1. How you will access? How you will access? Let me give this example. You will understand better. This is class. The name of the class is dog. Inside this, you have string name. You have string breed. These are the two variables you have. This is class. The name of the class is launch. Inside this, main method you have. Now I want to access the name and breed. What you will do? You will create an object. Yes or no? Means you are in this class. These variables are in different class. if you want to access them, you have to create an object and then access them. Yes or no? The same thing, I should do it here itself. You are in demo 4, but there is one class. The name of the class is what? Demo 1. And I want to access the people which are there in the demo 1. What you should do then? You should create an object. Now students will ask, sir, is this not mandatory that I should create an object only in the main method? Who told you? I haven't told you. But till this day, all the software expectation was to create an object in the main method. That is why I created. But that does not mean that only in the main method you can create the object. Absolutely no. In whichever class you want, you can create it. Not a problem. Got this? Very good. With this information, let me go to this disp, and inside this, let me create. Whose object? Very good. So demo 1 object I want to create, and for him, I will give the reference. What is the reference? D1. What type it is? Demo 1, like this. You're getting an error. Students will be like, I told you no, sir. This is not possible. Yes, I told you. See, error you are getting. You are getting error. It's not because of what you are thinking. Why are you getting error then? You have to import it. Because now, this demo 1, your JVM will scan in which package? Package 3. But you don't have it, right? And what you should do? You should import it. Let me do it for you. How you will do it, sir? I'll just hold on it. It is only telling me to import. Let me do it. Error is gone. Happy now? Very good. Now I will access. How you will do? System.out.println. I want to access A. How you will do it? Very good. It is D1 dot A. If you notice, it is working now. Why A is working? It is public. That is why. Sensing this much. Very good. Now, I will come here and I will tell system.out.println. I will tell it as D1.B, like this. Straight away error you are getting. Why? Because B is protected. Protected can be accessed in a different package if this class is extending that class. Is it extending? No. That is why error there. Very good. Now I will come to the next line, and here I will tell system.out.println D1.C. Again error. Why is that? C is default. Only in that package it is accessible. Very good. I will come here and I will tell system.out.println D1.D. Straight away you are getting an error there. Means only is accessible, which is public. Got this, my dear students? Yes. What is the conclusion of this topic, sir? Actually speaking, the accessibility of the variables, you can define them. Where you should be accessed. You should be accessed in the same class, in the same package, outside the package, outside the project also. You can define its accessibility. And that is why all of these are known as what? Access modifiers. Understanding this? Very good. With this knowledge, let me proceed further now. What is that, sir? I want to ask you. What you want to ask us, sir? Watch it. All of these are access modifiers. Out of all of them, who is having the highest accessibility? Public, followed by protected, followed by default, followed by private. Means what I will do, if you go like this, upper direction, 100%, something will increase. What is that, sir, if you ask me? Accessibility will 100% increases. Because public highest, private lowest. Whatever this accessibility is there, you can also call it one name. What is that name, sir, if you ask me? It is visibility. Visibility increases. That is the conclusion. Got this? Any doubt in this? No doubt. So I will give you 2 minutes of time. If you have any doubts regarding this access modifiers, you should ask me now. Because for the next topic, access modifiers is compulsory. Awesome. 2 minutes. The friends will come back. No, I'm just asking. They'll come back from their hometown. Doubt, huh? Good. I know they will come on Monday. And they will look at this class, what is happening. They will feel like, what is this? Java I'm learning or something, some astrophysics I'm learning or what? They will feel 100% complicated because they felt that anyhow videos, it will be there with me. And I'll spend some time with my family. Good, not a problem. So end of the day, it is your life. Okay, you have to decide what you have to do every single day. Spending time with your dear ones, good, but at least you should watch the videos, right? I know that they'll be not watching because they will be in the most comfortable place on this planet Earth. Family. When family is there, comfortable. You sit, water will come to your table, food will come to your table, everything will come to your table. And you have your mobile, sleep, look at the mobile, food will come, eat, sleep, look at the mobile. This is how it is. Anyhow, we will see on Monday what situation your students will be in. Not your students, my students, your friends. Okay, any doubts? Any doubts in this? Awesome. So with this, let me proceed further and try to understand one topic. What is that topic, sir? Buckle up and watch it. Great. Now what I will do, I will create one class. The name of the class, I will give it as demo 1. Inside this demo 1, I will give one method. The name of the method is disp. One statement is there. So to this method, I want to attach public. Now students will ask me, sir, can I give access modifiers to methods also? 100% yes. Actually speaking, your access modifiers, what is that? Public, protected, default, private. All of this, you can give it to these people. Who are those, sir? Variables. Not only this, methods. Methods can be an instance methods. You can give all of these access modifiers to static methods also. You can give it to the constructors also. Not only this, to classes also you can give. For all of this you can give. So don't be in this illusion that you should give it only to a variable. Absolutely not. Is this clear? Very good. So with this, let me go here. Disp is a method. I am giving public access modifier. Can I give it? You can give it. Not a problem. Very good. I will create one class, another class, The name of the class is demo2. And this demo2 is doing something. What it is doing? It is extending demo1. What I will get inside demo2 now? What I will get? What I will get? Disp you will get. Now I want to override it. Very good. When I'm overriding, my question is, should I maintain the same access modifier or should I not maintain this access modifier? Maybe instead of public, I want to give a default there. I'm not giving anything means it is default. Very good. What is the return type there? Void. Should I maintain the same return type or can I change it is the question. Whatever name is there, name compulsorily you should maintain the same. Very good. Now, how many parameters it is having there? Up. How many parameters? 0. My question is, I want to give 2 parameters. Is this possible is my question. These are the questions, right? My question to you is a bigger question. How to override a method? How to override a method? How to override a method, if you ask me, the answer is you have certain rules when you are overriding. However you want, you cannot override it. There are certain rules and regulations. Looking at these rules only, you should override. And that is my next topic. What is that, sir, if you ask me? That is rules of what, sir? Method overriding. This is my next topic. What is that, sir? Let me come to rule number 1. What is rule number 1 of method overriding? Watch it. Let me show it to you with the help of one UML diagram. This is one class. The name of the class is demo1. There is another class. The name of this class, I will give it as demo2. Very good. Now, inside this demo1, what I will do, I will create one method. How is that? I will give public void. The name of the method is disp. Very good. I will close it. I will close it here. Now, when I am overriding, let me maintain everything same. Public void disp. Everything same I am maintaining in this way. See, demo2 is inheriting. It is inheriting whom? Demo1. This is a method which will come and sit here. I am overriding it. When I am overriding it, public, public, void, void, disp, disp, 0, 0 parameters, maintaining the same. Will it work, sir? It will work. That everyone knows. But now, I want to play with this now. How you want to play, sir? This public is there, right? What is public? It is access modifier. I will come here and I will remove it. Now question arises, will this disp work or not? This will not work at all. It will not work. Okay, sir. Why it will not work? Because public is there and what you have given? Default. It is not working. Good. Now, let me come here. And instead of default, I want to give here protected. Like this. Will this work, sir? It will not work again. Very good. Let me remove this protected. And I will give it as private. Will it work, sir? It will not work again. So what is the conclusion? Whatever the public is there, public only you should give. Then only it will work. That is the conclusion. Watch it. What I will do now is, this public I will remove. This private private I will remove. What is the access modifier of disk here? Default. When it comes to demo 2, I'm overriding it. When I'm overriding it, one access modifier I will attach, and that access modifier is protected. Sir, will it work, sir? 100% it will work now. Very good. This protected I will remove, and here I will give it as public. Will it work, sir? 100% it will work. Very good, sir. Next what? This public I will remove, and here I will attach as private. Will this work, sir? This will not work at all. Some students will be, what is happening here? For some people it is working, for some it is not working. What all things I should remember? You don't have any option, you should remember. Very good, sir, but somewhat easier. You please teach it to us, sir. What's this? I will give all of these access modifiers, public, protected, default, and private. Very good. When you go above this, what will increase? Accessibility will increase. Very good. What is there here? Default. Now, instead of private, I will give it as public. This is default and this is public. Where is default? Default is here. Where is public? Public is here. Are you not increasing the accessibility? You can increase the visibility, but you cannot decrease the visibility. This is the rule number 1. Sir, how is that, sir? More examples you give. Watch it. What is the accessibility here? I mean access modifier? Default. I will remove this public. And in this case, I will remove. And here, I will give it as what? Protected. Like this. What is the access modifier here? Default. What is this? Protected. Come here. Default is here. What you did? Protected you have given. What you did? You have increased the accessibility. Then it will work. Means whenever you are overriding the method, you can increase the visibility, but you cannot decrease the visibility. That is the rule number 1. More examples, sir. Watch it. Great. Now, what I will do here is, maybe I will give here as protected. Protected in the method in the parent. Very good. This disp is coming and sitting here. I'm overriding. How we are overriding, sir? When you maintain the same access modifier, no doubt it will work properly. Protected, protected. Now, I will remove this protected, and here I will give it as public. Will this work? Yes or no? Very good. When you are overriding the method, public you have given. What's this? What you have given here? Protected. What you have given here? Public. What you have done? You have increased the accessibility. You can also call it as visibility. You can increase the visibility of overridden method, but you cannot decrease it. Really, sir? Watch it. Whatever this public is there, I will remove it and I will give their default. Will this work? Will this work? Yes or no? Why it will not work? Protected is here. What you are giving here? Default means from here you are coming down. Means you are decreasing the accessibility. This will not work in Java. Understanding? Very good. Now, I will give it as public. Public I am giving. What is the only option you have it here? Only public you have. Because if you give protected, default, private, everything comes under public, right? And that is why you got an error previously. Sensing this much. What is the conclusion? Whenever you are overriding the method, if you want to maintain the same access modifier, you maintain it. But if you want to change it, you change it. How can you change it? You should increase the visibility, but you cannot decrease it. That is the rule number 1 for method overriding. This is a damn important. Very good. Now, let us complete this rule by coding our program. For that, I need Eclipse. This is my Eclipse. Let me get it. Very good. So, inside the demo one, I will go and I will create something now. What you want to create, sir? Maybe I will create my main method. Very good. So my main method is there, and this is my demo one. Very good. I will go above here. I will create one class. The name of the class, maybe I will give it as demo2. Very good. Inside this, I will create one method. The name of the method is disp method. Very good. I'll come to line number 11. I will create one class. The name of the class is demo3. What demo3 is doing? Extending. Extending what? Demo2. Outstanding. Great. So what will come and sit? Disp will come and sit. This I will copy and paste it in this fashion. So let me put one statement so that you should not get confused. System.out.println hi. I will come here. System.out.println. I will put one message there. Hello. Which is an overridden method. He is an overridden method. He is a parent method. Very good. Now, what's this? What is the access modifier here? What is here? What's this? I will come here and give it as protected. Is this working? Working. I will remove this. I will give it as public. Is it working? It is working. Why? Increasing the visibility. Very good. I will remove this. I will give it as private in this fashion. Straight away error there. Why is that error also? I'll show it to you. What's this? Great. If I hold on this, what it is telling? Cannot reduce the visibility of an inherited method from a demo2. You cannot decrease the visibility. Understanding? Very good. Now, let me take this back. Awesome. Now, what's this? This private I will remove. I will come here and I will attach as protected there. The same protected I want to give it here. Means I'm maintaining the same access modifier. Is it working? It is working. Very good. This protected I will remove and I will attach their public. Will it work? It will work. Why it will not work? It will work, right? Why is that? Increasing the visibility. This public I will remove now. Straight away error. Why is that? You are decreasing because it's a default, right? I will give private. Again you will get an error, and that is what I'm getting there. Got this, my dear students? Very good. I will come here. Instead of protected, I will give it as public. Straight away you're getting error here. Decreasing the visibility. Change it. Decreasing the visibility. Error. Change it to, what is that, sir? Protected. Very good. I will give it as protected like this. Very good. Again error. Decreasing the visibility. The only option what you have, public only you should give, because he is having the highest visibility. So many, permutations and combinations I have given. So it is up to you now how you will answer in an interview. Very good. So this is my first rule. Let me go to rule number 2 now. What is that rule number 2, sir? Watch it. What is rule number 2, sir? Let me explain this to you with the help of an example. Think that there is a class known as demo2. There is another class known as demo3. Very good. There is one method. The name of the method is disp. Very good. Now demo 3 is extending demo 2. Disp will come and set. Let me maintain the same access modifier. What is access modifier? What is access modifier? Default. Let me maintain the same. Means it will work properly. Very good. This void. And after that I will tell it as disp like this. Very good. Now what's this? Regarding access modifier, complete clarity you got. Let me proceed further. And let us see void. Void, void. Same return type. Now same return type, will it work? It will work. But now my software expectation is I want to change the return type now. How will do it, sir? Instead of this void, I want to give it as int there. Will it work, sir? If you ask me, absolutely no. This will not work at all. Sir, okay, sir, don't give int there. Maybe you give there string. Will it work? It will not work again. Then what I should give, sir? You have only one option in front of you. What is that option? Void only. Means what is the conclusion? You cannot change the return type of an overridden method. It is impossible. You cannot do it. Really, sir? Let me understand this practically. This is my method. Let me remove this public. This is public. I'm removing it. This is access modifier. This is access modifier. Both of them are default. This is disp. Disp is coming here. I'm overriding it. This is the return type, void. When it comes to child, I'm overriding it. When I'm overriding it, I will change it to int now. When I do that, you're getting an error. What is the meaning? You cannot. No. Then what it is, sir? You are returning integer. You should return an integer, right? Where you have returned it? Doubt you are having in this. What is the return type? What is the meaning? You are returning integer. Where you are returning integer? That is why it is showing an error. Got this now? Very good. So now what I will do, I will come here. After this, I will tell return. What you want to return? An integer, 10, like this. When I do that, again, you are getting an error. Why this time error, sir, if you ask me? Let me read this error for you. If I take this cursor and hold on this, what it is telling? The return type is incompatible with the demo2.disp. Where is demo2? Where is demo2? This is my demo2. I am getting error here. Already defined. Where is another guy? Demo2. Oh, okay. So let me give another name. So many numbers I'm having, right? Not a problem. Okay, awesome. Let me go now. Okay, great. Watch it. What is that error it is showing? What it is showing? The return type is incompatible with demo5.disp. What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning? Where is demo5? This is demo5. Am I correct? This demo5 is having one method known as disp. Very good. This demo6 is getting this disp method. I'm overriding it. When I'm overriding it, what is the return type here? Void. What is the return type here? Int. Means the disp return type and the disp here return type, it is incompatible. That is what it is trying to tell you. Understanding this means you cannot change the return type. Now instead of int, I will tell it as void. How you will tell, sir? This int I will remove and I will tell it as void. 100% it will work now. Sir, but error, sir? It is returning nothing, so you should return nothing there. Now it will work. Sensing this much? Yes or no? Let me put this back now. Return 10. I'll change it to int. Immediately you're getting error. What is the conclusion? You cannot change the return type of an overridden method. It is impossible. Got this? But impossible itself is having I am possible. And tomorrow I'll show it to you. It is possible. How is that, sir? For that, you should attend my tomorrow's class. Any of tomorrow Friday is there, right? Weekend. Enjoyment. You enjoy, the third will go. That is rule number 3 will go. Make sure you come attend my class tomorrow. Another 2 more rules are there. We'll understand it. So thank you so much. Keep smiling. That's it. Happy coding is the wrong statement, right? Is it a right statement or wrong statement? Right statement. Very good. Happy coding and keep smiling. And you don't have a programming classes. Even more big smile you should have now. So your mega madam is ill again. Some food poisoning happened to her. So tomorrow she will come. We'll see. But today you don't have programming class. Thank you.